Today, we are talking about how to start frozen food business in Nigeria. I know some of you have seen my popular video on YouTube regarding that, but I'm reviving this video in 2026. That was like 5 years ago when I made that video. We're going to break down the step-by-step guide and see the likely daily profits, where to buy, and how to position your business in a way that you will be very profitable. The need for convenience created an opportunity for frozen food business in Nigeria. People are getting busier, fresh food is getting more expensive, and nobody has time to cook every day. Now, guess what that means for an average Nigerian? It means that we must find a way to access food and store it conveniently. This business is known to be highly profitable, and many people want to start, but they do not know how, and that is why you're watching this video. In this video, I'll show you how to start a frozen food business in Nigeria step by step, the real cost in 2026, how people are making daily income from it. Because remember, if you've been following Fooby Finance, you know the goal for this year's theme is daily income. So whether it's inside hustle or in your main business, ensure you're getting daily income somewhere. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how to do it the right way so you don't lose money. So let's think logically. In Nigeria, this 2026, there are more working class families, less time to cook, higher food prices. People now prefer to store, freeze, and use later. And that is where you come in. You're not just selling food, you're selling convenience. Let us define frozen food business. What is frozen food business? The act of buying, storing, and preserving food by freezing, then selling it to customers. Example of this frozen food in Nigeria are chicken, fish, turkey, snails, sausages, prawn, ready-to-cook meals like potato chips, small chops wrappings, and what have you. What is the basic startup requirement for frozen food business in 2026? Deep freezer, your stocks, chicken, turkey, fish, etc. Power, whether it's solar, whether it's generator. Location, that really matters. Business account. So we have mentioned 5 powerful and basic things for this business. Now let us do a small quiz. What is the most important must-have for frozen food business? I mean, the number 1 must-have for this business. Pause, drop a comment before continuing to watch. Now, welcome back. The answer is electricity. Without power, there is nothing you can achieve in frozen food business, especially if you truly want to do it in an ideal manner. If power is unstable, your freezer fails, your business is gone. So invest in generator or an inverter system, whether it's electric inverter or solar inverter. But I would advise you to invest in solar inverter to make it more durable and more sustainable. Now let's talk about the cost and profit breakdown. Okay, for instance, if you buy fish, we are going to talk hypothetically now. If you buy fish, char fish is 57,000 naira per carton as at the time of this video. Titles, if you're buying, there are different types of titles, right? So if you're buying 1 slate is 142,000 naira. If you're buying the 2 slate titles, you're going to be buying, that's the original titles too. You're going to be buying for 190 something. Yeah, I think 195 or thereabouts. You can make up to 10 to 20,000 naira profits per carton. Now imagine selling 5 cartons weekly. How much would that give you every week? Now believe me, you can make more than that depending on the strategy you are using for your business. That means every week you can make 50 to 100k, and in most cases you can even make way more than that. Let's talk about location. I'm going to mention 3 different locations. These are the best locations for frozen food business. Residential areas, that's the number 1. Residential areas make it easy for people to access you. Someone is coming from work so exhausted, doesn't even want to stop on the road, but he knows that that frozen food business along a road or in an area will definitely have stock. It will surely come all the way down to buy. During the weekend, that's even a massive sales strategy. You can sell so well during the weekend. People will question if this business is what is giving you that money. The second is market areas. You all know that market areas will surely generate the right income for you because everybody's intent is to buy at the market. Another area is near school hostel. Near school hostel. That is another fantastic place that you can situate your shop if you want to start frozen food business. Because guess what? Students are always looking for the best convenient places to shop from. And that could just be you. Basically, your customers are everyday people. And these are the places to find everyday people without even having to advertise your business. The good thing about the frozen food business is it sells itself. So you don't need to do much. Just have the right pricing and adequate stock. Now, let me tell you how to sell fast. Don't just open shop and sit down. Although I said it can sell itself. Use WhatsApp status, especially if you are not starting on a very large scale. If you're starting on a small scale. Use neighborhood groups. Let people in that landlord association know that there is a shop nearby where you sell frozen food. Use referrals. Treat your customers nicely so that they'll be able to refer other people to you. Use TikTok. That's another marketplace. I know someone that sells via TikTok. Interesting. So people around that location, that are using TikTok find her and they buy from her. Do you know that she has even resigned from her work at the moment? I'm always so proud of her because she's doing a tremendous work. Then you can use word of mouth. Tell someone to tell someone. Word of mouth is a traditional way of selling and it has always been doing a good job since 1900. If you're starting small, offer free delivery for people around your area or customers within a particular radius. Then offer discounts on certain stock. It could be certain days of the week. It could be certain items. But offer discounts from time to time and make sure you promote this on your social media handle. Now, where to buy or where to get suppliers? In every community, there is a major frozen food depot. You must identify it. Ask questions. Ask someone to ask someone. The major frozen food depot in my community, what I did was I went to the market. You know, in the marketplace, do not ask the person selling frozen food. Go to people selling vegetables. Go to people selling rice. People that their business does not have anything to do with frozen food. Ask them. They know the biggest depot around that community. Now, there are common mistakes that people make when starting frozen food business. And I need to tell you this so as to avoid them. No backup power. That is a major mistake. And since power is the number one thing you need to have, that means your business will be shut down. Overpricing. Forget it. For frozen food business, there's a common price in every community. Go and check what your competitors are selling so that you know overpriced. Nobody will come to you and say, oh, so frozen food is selling for 10,000 while you're selling for 10,500. You say that 500 naira is important to your customers. Even if it is 200 naira, it is important to them. Poor hygiene. Some people are so dirty. When you go to their stores, you'll be shocked. I went to a particular store one day and someone was trying to cut the chicken I bought. It was so ice. Do you know what he did? He just took the chicken and he hit it on the floor without nylon, without nothing covering that place. If you saw the way I addressed the matter, he started apologizing and repeating that it will not happen again. I was like, so is this what you do on the norm? Because I'm here. What if I sent someone younger to come and get this? That means we are going to be eating poison. Please be careful. Some customers will not say anything, but they will never return to that place any longer. Another thing is people treat their customers anyhow, especially when they have gained ground. When their business is now fully established, they feel that they are more important than that customer. And that's a lie. Your customer is the reason why you are in business. Hence, they are more important than you are at that point. So please have an ideal customer relationship so that they'll be encouraged to return. In Nigeria today, people making money are not waiting. They are solving problems. Now listen carefully. This frozen food business is just one of many businesses that we'll talk about on Fooby Finance. Check the playlist to see the ideal business that you might be gunning for. Is it a gas plant? Is it a hospital business? Is it shoe business? Is it hair business? So much more. You're going to find them on my playlist, and drop a thank you in the section below if this video was helpful to you. My name remains Olufunke Odode. I'll see you in the next video.